Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this video, I am going to discuss on Fourier series. Arbitrary period, either that period may be 0 to 2L or from minus L to plus L. One by one we will discuss. Okay, that is, obtain the Fourier series of f of x equal to mod x in minus L to plus L. Hence show that 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on equal to pi square by 8. I have to show it. Here the period or the interval of the interval alpha to alpha plus 2L is nothing but minus L to plus L. Therefore, that implies alpha is equal to minus L. Okay, and this 2L is nothing but minus of minus L, that is also equal to 2L, which implies my L is equal to L according to the comparing this one. Okay, and what about the period? Okay, therefore period, okay, period of f of x is 2L here. Okay, now Fourier series is given by, before that let me define f of x first here. F of x is equal to modulus of x. Okay, as the modulus of x is there for, and the L is x is taking from minus L to plus L. Say this is 0, here minus L and here it is a plus L. The values are taking from minus L to 0, all are taking negative. Minus L to 0 they are taking negative values, 0 to L they are taking positive values. Therefore I will split it into two terms, minus L less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0 and 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L. Here all the values are taking negative, but its answer should come positive. Therefore I will take minus x. X equal to minus, minus of minus again to become plus, and here it is a x in 0 to L. Always it is a positive. This way you can modulus of x also can be defined like this. Okay, therefore let me check whether that f of x is even function or odd function now. My f1 of x is equal to minus x, correct? f1 of x equal to minus x and f2 of x is equal to plus x. In f1 of x, let me replace x by minus x. I am getting x minus of minus x and it is equal to plus x. Okay, that is my f2 of x. f1 of minus x equal to plus f2 of x. Therefore f of x is equal to mod x is even function. Okay, if it is a even function, then sum of the Fourier coefficients will become 0. Which Fourier coefficient becomes 0? Let me check one by one. Now Fourier series is given by, Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to a0 divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by L plus bn into sin n pi x by L. Okay, this is my Fourier series. Then the Fourier coefficients, first a0 I have to calculate. a0 is given by 1 by L integration from alpha to alpha plus 2L f of x dx. Substitute this. L is again same, L I have proved, L is equal to L. Therefore 1 by L integration from minus L to plus L f of x dx. But f of x is even function, therefore I can write it as 2 by L into integration from 0 to L f of x dx according to the property of f of x. This f of x is nothing but, and this f of x I can write from 0 to L f of x is defined to be plus x, and its integration is given by 2 by L into x square divided by 2 between the limits 0 to L. 2 to cancels and 1 by L into upper limit minus lower limit L square minus 0 square, which is equal to 1 by L cancels. My answer is L. Okay, A naught value is L I am going to get. Like that, whether I am getting AN or not, I have to check out. AN is equal to 1 by L integration from alpha to alpha plus 2L f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. Substitute the values. 1 by L is equal to L, same here, but here alpha 2 will become minus L2 plus L. F of x is mod x into cos n pi x by L as it is into dx. Okay, now but f of x is a even function, cos is also even function, even into even will become even. Therefore I can write it as a 2 by L integration from 0 to L. For 0 to L, f of mod x is defined to be plus x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Now integrating this using Bernoulli's rule, 2 by L into x into integration of cos n pi x by L will become sin n pi x by L whole divided by n pi by L minus differential of x is 1 and integration of sin will become minus cos n pi x divided by L whole divided by n pi by L the whole square. This is between the limits 0 to L. Now again for 0 to L, if you substitute x equal to L cancels n pi. Again this will become 0. X equal to 0, therefore this term becomes 0 for both upper limit and lower limit. Since sin n pi and sin 0 equal to 0 is the reason. The remaining term I can write it as 2 by L minus of minus plus, and this one I can write it as L square divided by n square pi square, and this is cos n pi x by L between the limits 0 to L. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. One of the L cancels, therefore 2L divided by n square pi square into L x equal to L cos n pi L divided by L minus cos 0. Okay, pi cancels, cos n pi is a minus 1. Therefore this is 2L divided by n square pi square into minus 1 raised to n minus 1. This is equal to my AN. Okay, AN value is minus 2 by L divided by n square pi square minus 1 raised to n minus 1 is my AN. Like that, BN will become 0 here because given Fourier coefficient BN is defined to be 1 by L integration from alpha to alpha plus 2L into f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. 1 by L integration from minus L to plus L, f of x is a mod x into sin n pi x by L. And here we have proved that mod f of x is a mod of x is a even function, whereas the sin is odd function. Even into odd will become odd function, therefore this integration will become 0. Therefore Bn is equal to 0 since mod x into sin n pi x by L is odd function. Okay, that's why Bn is 0. Therefore Fourier series becomes f of x, that is mod x, is equal to a naught divided by 2, that is nothing but a naught is L divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an. My an value is 2L into minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by n square pi square into cos n pi x divided by L plus bn is 0 into sin n pi x by L. This is the required Fourier series. Or mod x equal to, I can write it as L by 2, okay, L by 2 plus summation, this I can write outside, that is 2L divided by pi square, I can write outside, summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by n square into cos n pi x by L, I can write. This is the required Fourier series. From this Fourier series to deduce, okay, deduction, how can I do the deduction? I want 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square and all those things. This should be equal to 1. For which value of x it becomes 0, 1 here. For x equal to 0. Okay, let us check. At x equal to 0, left hand side is also 0. L by 2 plus 2L divided by pi square into summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by n square into cos 0 is 1. Shift this to left hand side. Minus L by 2 equal to 2L divided by pi square summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by n square. Cos 0 is 1. And here L cancels, and you can shift to the other side, that will become minus pi square divided by 4 equal to, put n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. If n equal to 1, minus 1 raised to 1 minus 1 divided by 1 square plus n equal to 2 minus 1 raised to 2 is become plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 square plus n equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 3 square plus 1 minus 1 divided by 4 square plus minus 1 divided by 5 square plus so on. This implies minus pi square divided by 4 equal to minus 2 divided by 1 square, and this is 0. This is also 0, like that. Minus 2 divided by 3 square minus 2 divided by 5 square, so on. Minus taken common, 2 is also taken common. Minus pi square divided by 4 equal to minus 2 into bracket 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. This minus 2 shifted other side. This will become pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. This is the required deduction what we want. Okay, like this, some more examples on Fourier series of arbitrary intervals I am going to solve in my next videos. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications. Like the video, comment and also share this video to your friends. Thank you friends.